I'm at Portland Nursery on Stark today, and I am just doing a walkthrough and walk around to look at the dwarf conifers. They have gotten in a couple of new shipments from a couple of different suppliers, near as I can tell, and their inventory is just absolutely wonderful right now. I'm seeing plants that I know, which is great, but also it's a great time of year to get introduced to dwarf conifers that maybe aren't part of my repertoire, and so I'm doing a little bit of that as well, and finding some that I definitely want to kind of learn more about, like this one. I love the texture. I'm very intrigued by that one. I like the color, and they've got a variety of sizes available, and so these are the larger plants, but I'm going to walk you over the other part of the display. Here we go. And it is, again, lots of great conifers available in smaller, more affordable sizes, and some varieties that I have been on the lookout for forever. That is Cryptomeria Little Diamond, and if you check the eGardenGo site, you're going to see that it's on there, and it's just a personal favorite, but it's been out of stock for quite a while. And this one here, this one is similar to one that I'm growing in my garden. It looks like it's going to be real compact, and it's called, I don't know if you can see this, Conifers Lawsonia Argentea compacta. I have one very similar to that in my garden, and it's been super compact for me, and just a really great plant. I like it, and I love the color, and it's also very shade tolerant. And I was here yesterday, and I saw something that I'm not seeing right now, but it was another favorite that is just rarely out and available, and it was the Conifers Piscifera iceberg, and you're not seeing it right now because I just can't find it, but it is a great plant. You can find that on the eGardenGo site as well. So anyways, these are the smaller sizes, and there are some that are even smaller still over here that can be grown in a container for a while before you put them in your garden, and that way they can bulk up in size and be a more affordable way to get into the dwarf conifer game. So look at all the beautiful colors. That's called Frankie Boy. That's a thuya. Look at that gold foliage and that strong upright form. Got beautiful blues. That creamy one again that we looked at over there. Fun textures. Dwarf pines. Creamy colored cedars, little pines that are growing a bun. And you know, when we're looking at the conifers, there's just such a range, and you know, you can tell this one is just a rich green, and if you look at it, see how congested and small the foliage is. That means it's very, very, very slow growing, so excellent candidate for in a container. So I hope you enjoyed this little video tour of some of the wonderful conifers that are out there now. Look at the range of colors. Isn't that gorgeous? I keep seeing ones that I want to show you closer. So enjoy.